Let's talk about local SEO and why it's crucial for your business. Majority of consumers use search engines to find local information. If your site is not optimized for local search, you're missing out on 80% potential clients. Utilizing keywords effectively can solve this problem. The essence of local SEO is targeting keywords that resonate with your audience. Instead of going for generic keywords, narrow down your focus. Here's how you can format your keywords. Include your service or product followed by the location and some additional text. For example, instead of just local SEO, you can go for local SEO Texas. Add even more specificity with phrases like near me, near us, open today, or open now. A complete keyword could look like local SEO Texas near me or Texas local SEO open now. The major advantage of this approach begins when your customer starts searching. These keyword combinations align more with search intent. The searcher using such specific phrases is likely already interested in your service or product. In essence, by optimizing for local SEO using targeted keywords, you're likely to get more leads and phone calls. Remember, high search intent equals higher chance of conversion. Begin your local SEO journey right now and witness your business thrive.